Hello, in front of me I've got Opel Grandland. In this video I'll show you what are the comfort features of this car. Opel Grandland X in higher trims is equipped with plenty comfort features like 17 or 18 inches wheels, seat heating, parking sensors or parking camera, big screen where you can watch photos, use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and also big trunk with the high capacity. The car is also equipped with spare tire, multiple tools, and electronically opened trunk. The car can also have electrically adjusted seat, side mirrors heating, and easy access. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.